The cabinet of Central Equatoria State has approved over 16 billion South Sudanese pounds in draft budget for the fiscal year 2022-2023. The proposed budget was presented at the Extraordinary Council of the State Ministries sitting on Wednesday. In a statement published on Governor Emmanuel Adil's online page, the Minister of Information said the budget includes the revenues generated from both the state taxes and national grants. Andrew Gamabe Severio said the budget will fund the implementation of the 6 strategic development pillars of the state government. These include peace and security stabilization, service delivery and economic revival. Others are to promote good neighborliness, facilitate the return and reintegration of refugees, as well as keeping Juba City clean, green and safe. According to the Information Minister, the draft budget will be presented to the state legislatures for scrutiny and deliberations.